My answer is the most cliched answer in the world, which is
work is life. Matlab, there's no real difference. When you start something, it is also that it's your life's purpose.
And you sleep and you get up and the first thing you think about is work.
Weekend पे काम वाला कोई मैसेज भी नहीं देखना, रिप्लाई भी नहीं करना, because it's my own time. How can I be expected to do it? Period in the middle when we were figuring out कि करना क्या है इस फ्रूट के साथ, तब तो लाइफ ही लाइफ थी. तब ऐसे लगता था कि वर्क बिल्कुल ही खत्म हो गया है.
Here we are, reporting all the way from Dharamshala. Little do you know हम actually कहाँ बैठे हैं. ये हमारे ऑफिस का पार्क है. But it looks like Dharamshala because it's a nice rainy morning. Anyway, Garima, back to the topic. So we'll talk about the topic. My answer is the most cliched answer in the world, which is when work does not feel like work. And it is an integrated system that you're living in, and you're able to make sure that you take out time for things that you really enjoy, and work is that. But you're also able to draw a boundary and have an end limit.
It's meant very different things to me, I think, throughout life. I think when I was working for somebody else, तब तो बहुत ही ऐसे था कि वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस, यू नो, शाम को 7 बजे के बाद काम नहीं होना चाहिए, वीकेंड पे काम वाला कोई मैसेज भी नहीं देखना, रिप्लाई भी नहीं करना, बिकॉज इट्स माई ओन टाइम. हाउ कैन आई बी एक्सपेक्टेड टू डू इट? सो इट वॉज वेरी डिफरेंट. आई वॉज ऑल्सो वर्किंग फॉर अ वेरी बिग corporate, so you can afford to do those things when there is a big kind of operation at hand and your work is very defined and very limited in the larger scope of things. From there, I think there was a period in the middle when we were figuring out कि करना क्या है इस फ्रूट के साथ. तब तो लाइफ ही लाइफ थी. तब ऐसे लगता था कि वर्क बिल्कुल ही ख़त्म हो गया है. To now where I think we are at a stage now where work is life. मतलब there's no real difference.
मतलब काम करते रहो 10-11 and you sleep and you get up and the first thing you think about is work. That can be counterproductive also.
And I'm very happy with it also. Like, it's not कि मतलब I'm complaining about it, because I also feel that when you start something, it is also that it's your life's purpose.
Even though you're enjoying that thought and enjoying brainstorming about that, but you should be able to switch off.
मतलब कभी कभी ऐसे होता है obviously that you feel like भाई बहुत हो गया and I haven't spoken to my parents in like a week or longer, or I haven't gone home in a long time. I think every time something like that happens, then I'm like, okay, cool, this is completely in my control. If I'm feeling like this, then I have to take out time for meeting friends or going out and like just like catching up with somebody I haven't met in a long time, or planning to meet family or whatever. Initially I used to operate from the lens of कि हाँ ठीक है, अभी एनर्जी है, अभी करते हैं ख़त्म. Even if that means कि सुबह 7 बजे उठ के भी काम कर रहे हो, रात के 12 बजे तक भी कर रहे हो.
You need to break that rhythm. So as long as you've got time where you're thinking about something that deeply, but you're also able to completely switch off from that.
So it doesn't have to be like a full day का break, but if I can find an hour every single day के सुबह उठ के चाय पीनी है, जैसे मेरे को वो अच्छा लगता है. सुबह I like waking up in the morning and just not doing anything for an hour and a half. कि किसी से बात नहीं करनी, चाय या कॉफ़ी जो भी है. Even if I am like sitting and reading my book, or even if I'm wasting time on Instagram, but I feel like that is like alone time. That's my take now on it. If you'd asked me 5 years back, तो अलग होता.